Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Hulu keeps logging me out. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, how do you fix this issue in Hulu? Well, the thing here, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a stable interconnection. Sometimes not having a fast interconnection or an unstable interconnection can actually affect your Hulu account. So in this case, you could go ahead and make sure just use your interconnection or switch over to a different interconnection. Like for example, if you're using your mobile data, go ahead and switch over to a Wi-Fi, or if you're using Wi-Fi, switch over to a mobile data. Now from then on, if one of them actually works, it means the problem is your interconnection. But in this case, if you're sure that your interconnection is pretty stable, it's quite fast, there are other things that you could do here as well. So one of them is to make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. Sometimes having the not updating your app or your Hulu app here can actually affect the actual account that you have right now. So it will log you out again and again. So make sure that you're using the latest version. Go ahead and visit Google Play Store, search for Hulu, and if you see any update button, go ahead and click on update and wait for it to update. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it up and see if that solves the issue. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to actually clear your cache. So in this case, look for the Hulu app here, press and hold on it, and you want to actually click on the option that says, like for example, you have the app info here. Now you can go and click on clear data at the bottom right of the app itself, click on clear cache, and then click on OK. Once you've done that, you go ahead and open up Hulu again and see if that solves the issue. And finally, the last thing that you could do here is to just basically wait. Sometimes Hulu would have problems on their server. So meaning to solve this issue, you just need to wait for a few hours. It means that there are server problems. So typically to check this, you can go open up any browser. From here, you can just type in Hulu. Is it down? From here, you should be able to see this link here. Go ahead and click on down detector. And from here, you want to go ahead and see if there are any spikes currently on Hulu. So if there are any outages, you should see a big spike here. So it means you're not the only person that has this problem here. So probably they are already fixing this. So you just need to wait for a few minutes or a few hours for them to actually fix it. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.